Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, as you can tell by the title, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a business logo if you're on a budget using your iPhone. So I honestly only used 2 apps to create this logo. Now it's not going to be the most professional logo like you've ever seen, but it does do its job for you to only be using your cell phone and not Photoshop or anything like that. And I mean, who doesn't want to save money, especially if you're starting a business and you're on a budget? Okay, so getting straight into the video right here, I'm just in Phonto and I'm going to get my background together. So now I'm just going to add text, whatever your business company name is. I'm just coming up with something off the top of my head. And these fonts that I have right here, I only got about 9. But I actually got them from thefont.com. I'm going to link it in the description box down below if you guys want to download some different fonts onto Phonto. So when you're doing this, you kind of want to just play around with the different buttons that you have. Like go through text and add different colors that kind of goes with the color scheme of your business. And then you want to add like an outline to it so it kind of sticks out. So I actually added 2 different fonts for my logo that I'm doing in this video, just to make it stand out a little bit more, kind of an edgy look to it. And of course I'm adding that outline or stroke that they call it stroke in the app. Adding that stroke to make it really stand out. I was really hesitant like trying to figure out what color I wanted it to be, even though this wasn't even my real logo, but I'm a little perfectionist, I guess. So I'm just throwing that together, trying to blend it, make it look good, have some kind of aesthetic. I don't know, ever since I've been doing YouTube, that's all I be like saying is aesthetic. Like, if you don't have aesthetic, you don't have anything. So no. So I'm saving that really quick and I'm gonna head over to Picsart, okay? Picsart, I haven't been on Picsart in a minute. I didn't even know they had it like this. They didn't upgrade it on us. So you're just gonna get your saved image, and I actually went on to Picsart because they have like really cute like stickers that you can use. So I just typed in makeup brush or whatever is pertaining to your business that you're doing in particular. Just look it up, and I decided to actually, how they be having like a little eye and they add like something to do with the company or the word, Just gonna add a little logo with the makeup one to the logo. That don't even make sense, Summer, but okay. So yeah, so we're just gonna add that there. And then again, like, they have a really good collection of stickers, and I just thought this little glitter background was super cute. Like, I'm gonna go back to it. I was just scrolling through trying to show you guys a little bit of something. Sorry, it's really loud out there. Like, people are so crazy. But yeah, so with the little glitter background, you can actually like make it opaque. I don't know if I'm saying that right, but how you make it the background and it's really glittery and pretty. Like, who doesn't love glitter? Like, glitter is a girl's best friend next to diamonds. And then I just wanted to add like that glare. I mean, the glare really was doing too much, but like I said, just play around with it, make it your own. Like, you don't have to do what I did. You can do something completely different. I'm just letting you guys know that you can indeed make your own logo. You don't have to depend on anybody else, because I know people be scamming out there when you trying to, you know, do certain things like logos and intros, like, so, you know, don't be lazy, just learn how to do it yourself, okay? And I hope this video really helped you guys. I'm just putting some finishing touches on it. I really did like do too much, but like I said, I'm just showing you guys like a little bit of what to do. This isn't what my logo look like. I mean, it looks a little bit better than the logo that I came up with, but yeah. But anyways, that's all I have for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. As always, please be sure to subscribe and like this video and comment down below if this helped you. Bye.